All right, last video. We are now looking at the scenic data set. The first thing we want to recode age into two groups, either less than 53 or greater than 53. So we are going to go to transform, recode into different variables. Okay, so we want the age, which is average age of patients. It's going to be age group. Hit change. We select old and new values. So the lowest through 2.99 is going to be a 1. And then 53 to the highest is going to be a 2. Again, you can slow me down. Hit OK, and we should see a new variable, age group. I'm going to go ahead and now format this, get rid of the decimal places, put a values in. 1 is less than 53, and 2 is greater than or equal to 53. Okay. Then I'm going to recode services into two groups. Available services. So transform, recode into different variables. Let me reset that. The services. Which one is it? Available services. Which one is that? Percent of 35 potential. Okay, available services. 30. Here we go. Percent available. All right. So serve group. Change old and new values. So lowest through 40.1999 is a 1, and 40.2 and up is a 2. I think I just did a median split on these. I can't remember. Some kind of purpose for it. Just to create the groups really. So we have two groups. The one is less than 40.2, and 2 is greater than or equal to 40.2. All right, so now we want a three-way ANOVA with age, services, and region. So we're going to go to Analyze General Learning Model Univariate. The dependent variable is length of stay. So we have the age group, service, and region. We want to start with a full factorial ANOVA, so I'm just going to go ahead and build the full factorial. So we have the main effects, all two ways, and all three ways. Okay. We shouldn't have anything on there because it's a new analysis. Go to our output, and you see that we start with a level 3. We don't even look at anything else. So look at the third level. That is non-significant. We're going to return it, remove it. Go to the model, remove the three-way, run it again. All right, so now we're at the two-way. We don't need all of them because there's no three-way. So we're going to go ahead and remove the age group by service group because it's 0.169, the lowest F. Age group by service group. Age group by service group. Okay, move that one. All right, so we're getting close here. But service group by region is still not significant. So we have 1.822. Service group by region. Right. Yeah, service. Yeah, service group by region. Okay. Age group by region is also not significant, so can remove that too. All right, so run that. Okay, now we have the three main effects. There's no two ways, so we can just see if they actually are all significant. So now we can go ahead and do our interpretation. which means that we have to get the means for all. Region is actually multiple different groups, so we can do post hoc for that. Post hoc for region. Okay, what do we get? So there are significant differences in the length of stay for age group and just the two age groups. So F of 1 and 107 degrees of freedom is equal to 0.019. So we have 9 point, so there's significantly higher length of stay when the average age of the patients is older. The service group we have, so when there are more available services, then the length of stay is longer. So it could be they're getting actually more treatment because there's more services available for them to do. And the region, there are significant differences as well. So let's go to the post hoc, and you see that the longest length of stay is in the Northeast. West and South are both tied with the lowest. West is significantly lower than the North Central and the East. South and North Central do not significantly differ from each other. So that is it. So that is the best fitting model. So sometimes it may just even be something that easy that you only have the main effects. All right, hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys when I get back.